What's your dream job?
What is your dream job?
What is your dream job?
Did you know that only 7% of the population makes it to their dream jobs? We're here today at Ensign College to ask our students what their dream jobs are to let you know how Ensign College can help you be part of that 7%.
What's your dream job?
To be an interior designer, residential homes. To design homes, commercial businesses, anything like that. Gotta design anything.
I want to be project manager and human resource manager, but I'm trying to figure it out which I'm really good at it. So if I'm good at project management, then I would take that path, and if I'm good at human resource, then I would take that path.
Anything to do with accounting.
Cool.
Probably having my own studio so that I can kind of pick and choose who I work with and get to sell furniture at reasonable prices.
Us college students would really appreciate that.
Then what is your dream job then?
A director in a big general contracting company, so construction. So business management is my major, but construction management is where I want to be.
I just want to own real estate and have my money work for me.
Working something that can show my talents, maybe creatives of it all. I think I like to create things, like things in my imagination and make it real.
Oh, I think not work. I'm just kidding. No, it's just work for a company in my country, but here in the States.
I don't really know. I like a lot of different stuff. I'd like to work for SpaceX, and I'd like to own my own business at some point.
So my dream job would be owning my own construction company, actually. Yeah, so I actually used to want to be an architect, but I found out it's very competitive. I don't really like the building or the design part of it. I like the building part more, and so I've always worked in construction doing like framing and stuff like that, and so I'd like to own my own business for that.
What is your dream job?
So my dream job is just trying to work for like the church construction, basically helping out building temples and church buildings and church apartments and all that. So that's basically the dream jobs that I want to work for.
My dream job is working at Microsoft.
I want to have my own company. That's mainly my dream.
About what? Like just you want to be in there?
I don't know yet.
But you want to be the owner?
Yeah, I want to be the owner. But right now I have a partnership with my dad, and that's what I'm doing, which is mainly mine.
Perfect.
Probably a consulting firm for cybersecurity.
Entrepreneurship. I want to create my own company.
My dream job is to own my own practice as a physical therapist. So.
What's your dream job?
Honestly, working for a company in communication or helping people, maybe in psychology or social work.
To own my soccer team. To own a soccer team.
Okay, cool. What's your dream job?
I'm not sure, but I think I'd like to promote education internationally.
Want to be a financial controller or a CFO?
CFO. Well, let's say.
So I would like to be the logistics manager for Porsche.
Ultimately, dream job would be video game development, but I'm not going to set my heart on that.
Well, video game development would be really cool.
It would be so cool, but I'll take anything.
To be a dentist.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Like
I just want to be. I just want to be a dentist. Yeah. I really like teeth and I like to help people, so I want to go into a field where I can work with my hands.
Nice. Hands-on.
My dream job is to be a computer science software engineer.
What's your dream job?
I want to own my own physiotherapy clinic with my wife.
Oh, that's cool.
My dream job is have my own business, car dealership and body shop. A lot about cars and construction also.
Being a pilot, so I'm just doing this so I can have a backup just in case I can't fly.
My dream job is like to work in a Bank of America, Walmart. That's what my major is.
My dream job is to be a digital content creator. So life will kind of be influencer in a good way.
Okay, cool.
My dream job is to own a clinic for physical therapy. So I was going to do a business major and then go into a pre-physical therapy school.
I'm planning to start my own business.
Cool. What's your dream job?
HR, something to do with HR.
My dream job would be an entrepreneur.
What kind of business?
I've got no clue. Maybe in drones or in technology.
I would love to study in psychology, but in human resources.
My dream job is actually to be a health coach and work from home and have people come over and yeah.
What's your dream job?
Being a dentist.
To be a neurosurgeon.
Working in cybersecurity.
My dream job, that's a good question. I'm still trying to find that one out. I always wanted to become a pilot. Yeah, that's like my dream job. What I'm studying is not related to it, but it's on the side hustle.
I would like to work in a great company like Google or Amazon as software engineer.
I'm not sure yet, but I'm planning to run a business.
Probably to work in a nonprofit.
My dream job is to become an entrepreneur of any business.
Any field specifically?
I'm not sure yet, but that's the plan for now.
Commercial airline pilot.
An elementary
elementary teacher.
Oh, cute.
I would like to become a cybersecurity consultant at the big company, and then I can make big money. Yeah, that's my dream job.
What's your dream job?
Writer.
Cool. Novelist.
Actually, I don't have a dream job, but I prefer something can work remotely. So I think computer science would be a good major.
To be an entrepreneur.
I would like to do some investing jobs, so I don't have yet a real dream job for now.
To be veterinarian.
I want to own a nonprofit.
Be an artist or like a graphic designer.
A business owner.
Become a nurse. I want to work with babies and in the ICU or a labor and delivery nurse.
My dream job would be an author.
What would you like to write?
Novels.
I'm planning to be in the career of UX design.
I want to be a travel agent and help plan other people's trips and
Great.
vacations.
That's sick. That's.
My dream job, I want to be a programmer.
And what is your dream job?
Be a dad.
Wow. How many kids?
At least 3.
At least.
At least 3.
The big family.
Kind of not depends on me, but I'm here, so we'll see what she wants.
Here at Ensign College, we have multitude of resources like career and internship services that will help you build your resume, get an internship, and network. If you want to achieve your dreams like us here, click the link below and we'll see you in the next one.